best 3 Spindles CNC Router. 3 Spindles CNC Router-1325 multi-head drilling machine for wood/plywood/MDF cutting and engraving. Item specifics. Brand name of Technicore, not CNC condition, new model. Number, AKM 1325 3H multi-head drilling machine. Name: 1325 3H multi-head drilling machine. Spindle 3 Spindle 3.5 kW air cooling spindle. Control system, NK105 DSP controller working. Table, vacuum and T-slot table combined, 4 zones. Transmission TBI ball screw/helical gear and rack. Guide rails, 20mm linear guide rails, import from Taiwan. Motor stepper motor. Voltage AC 380V/50/60 of a Hz, 3-phase inverter, fulling inverter, 3 working area: 1300 x 2500 200mm. Products description of multi-head drilling machine. Descriptions: parameters. Model AKM 1325 3H 3-head CNC router. Working area 1300 by 2500 by 200 ohm. Voltage 3-phase, 380 volts, 50/60 of a Hz. Control system: Long NK105 DSP controller. Spindle 3.5 kW air cooling spindle, 3 Spindle. Inverter, fulling inverter. Motor. Stepper motor. Driver Yako 2D811. Table surface vacuum and T-slot working table, 4 zones. Z-axis transmission Taiwan TBI ball screw, linear guide rails 20mm. X/Y-axis transmission helical gear and rack, linear guide rails 20mm. Software ARPCOM, Type 3 included. Command language G-code. Oiling, auto oil lubrication. Accessories: 5.5 kW vacuum pump, dust cover. Main parts of multi-head drilling machine.